Hi everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique. I have a letter. This is to Mrs. Rosalie in Hammond, Indiana. Okay, so we have, this is from a private Henry, the postmaster in New York City. This is going to the postmaster in New York City. I'm not sure where it's actually coming from. I have not read this. It looks like November 10th, 1944. That's an oldie. And it looks like he's writing his wife. Let's see if I can read this. Look at how small these are. But hey, here we go. Dearest Billie. Well, honey, no mail yet. But we had a little excitement this morning. A boxcar caught on fire. It sure burned for a little while. I got awake from it and heard something popping, and it sounded like ammunition. That would be really scary to wake up to that, I just have to say. So I wasn't taking any chances, but accidents happen. And I don't want that to happen to me. Very true. Your wife would not be happy. Billie would be very sad. I'm still coming home when this is over. And I don't mean maybe. Well, how is everything back home? Okay, I hope. The weather here has turned cold, and the fields are flooded with the rains. And it looks like I have stopped to fill my packer. I'd rather have my money than my pen any day. Each time I use it, I think of you. I'm sure glad I have a good wife like I have. Oh, that's nice. I wouldn't have any other but you, honey. Honey, I think you ought to keep those socks for when I come home. I have 6 pair, and I'd only ruin them here. They're too good for out here. I'd rather save them and wear them when I get home. Well, honey, till tomorrow, say hello and lots of love and kisses to my honey from your Henry. Oh. Look how cute that is. Well, that's today's letter. If you like these letters, make sure to like and subscribe to hear more. Hit the bell so you'll know when they come up. And if you want me to try to find some in your area, let me know. I'd be happy to try to find some goodies to read. Bye, everybody. Have a good day. And if you hear my husband coughing, it'd be really rude to tell him to shut the hell up.